Mahagriv, listeners, I think I said goodbye to you, but if I didn't slag before, thank you. And right, Liv, and when I put down my hand, I think we're finished.
Okay.
But I don't know when you're finished, so would you go on to that? It's grand. Fine. Right away. Yep, there. Amazing. I'm telling you, regardless, that was brilliant.